So, what thermal compound transfers and dissipates the heat? Well, you've got options like grease, thermal paste, and even liquid metal. BlockDAG's mining process would use a sophisticated approach, utilizing heat sinks and thermal pads to ensure adequate cooling and optimal performance. Additionally, cutting-edge algorithms will be implemented to maximize resource extraction efficiency, ensuring stable and eco-friendly mining operations. What is the hardware specification of BDAG miners? Here are the hardware specifications of BDAG miners. For the X10, the mining algorithm is proof of engagement, and it's compatible with the BlockDAG X1 miner. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. For the X30, it uses the KEKAC 256 hashing algorithm, has Ethernet connectivity, and is compatible with BDAG. The X100 also uses the KEKAC 256 hashing algorithm, connects via Ethernet, and is compatible with BDAG. Is mining difficulty with BDAG miners lesser compared to other networks? The initial difficulty level at launch will start at 0.05 megahash, but it will gradually increase as more miners join the network. This scalability ensures a fair distribution of rewards and maintains a balanced and secure blockchain ecosystem. So, can other mining rigs mine BlockDAG? Well, yes. Other mining rigs that use the same algorithm as BDAG miners can definitely mine BlockDAG. However, it's important for miners to stay updated on algorithm adjustments within the BDAG network to maintain optimal mining performance. You might be wondering, what's the purpose of buying the miner in the pre-sale if it can be downloaded later and you can still mine? The thing is, the mining difficulty will eventually increase over time. Once the coins are mineable at a low difficulty level, early access will actually yield the highest outcome in coin rewards. The BlockDAG X1 miner application's live version has received approval for both iOS and Android platforms. Users can now access the iOS version globally and download the Android version directly through a link in the Google Play Store. To make sure users receive timely updates, the team has committed to sending email notifications regarding significant changes and upcoming features directly to their registered email addresses. Additionally, users can start mining now, and their BDAG coins will be transferred to their wallets when the mainnet goes live. For iOS, you can check out https://apps.apple.com/use/app/blockdag-x1/ID65036098082, and for Android, just visit http://apk.blockdagnetwork.io/blockdagv1 5.apk. Do my BDAG miners come with a warranty? Yes, they do. Make sure to check out the terms and conditions associated with a warranty to clearly understand the coverage and any applicable conditions. So, what hardware specifications are recommended for individuals interested in BlockDAG mining? Well, you can definitely use pre-existing ASIC and GPU mining rigs to mine BDAG. However, we really recommend that those interested in mining take advantage of the X10. Utilizing the X10 offers optimized efficiency and compatibility with the BDAG algorithm. Plus, it provides a user-friendly experience for folks who are just entering the mining ecosystem. Is there a minimum amount requirement for participating in the BlockDAG mining project? Actually, no initial capital is required to mine on the X1 app, but you do need at least 7,500 BDAG from pre-sale to start migrating to mainnet when it is live. This helps ensure a stable and secure mining experience while also promoting network integrity and preventing fragmentation of the mining process. Are there any specific eligibility criteria for individuals or entities looking to participate in BlockDAG mining? Participating in BlockDAG mining is way straightforward. All you need is a wallet, an address, and a compatible mining rig. This simple process lets users seamlessly join the mining community, making BlockDAG accessible to a broader range of audience. Can you share insights into the expected return for BlockDAG miners? Mining is lucrative when it comes to the future potential value of the cryptocurrency. Kaspa was launched at a similar price of about 0.2 of a cent and is currently worth 10 cents, resulting in a 50 times gain over 2 years. So, mining BlockDAG holds promising potential for substantial returns, given its innovative structure and scalability. How do I start mining BDAG coins? Step 1. Download the BlockDAG X1 crypto miner app onto your mobile device, which is compatible with Android and iOS platforms. Alternatively, you can acquire a dedicated crypto miner from our website at https://purchase.blockdag.network/. Step 2. Once you have the necessary hardware or software in place, set it up according to the instructions. Step 3. Establish a stable network connection to ensure seamless communication with the BlockDAG network. Step 4. Configure your mining pool settings to optimize your mining experience and maximize your BDAG coin yields. Who can mine BDAG? Mining is open to everyone on the BlockDAG platform. BDAG makes the mining space accessible and inclusive, meaning anyone can download the app or buy a mining rig. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or a professional, BDAG mining is for everyone. So, how do I activate the miners? Well, first, you'll want to connect your ASIC miners to reliable power supplies. The stability of your setup is really critical for efficient mining operations. Next, you'll need to configure the mining pool and start mining. All of the information you need is provided along with the miner itself. And hey, if you need further support, you can contact our support team at https://blockdag.network/support or reach out on BlockDAG official channels. Are there limits on the number of miners that can be purchased at one time? You can purchase up to 5 miners at one time with one wallet address. To purchase more, please use different wallets. If you're planning a bulk purchase beyond this limit, we invite you to expedite the process by completing our private clients form, which is accessible on our website at https://blockdag.network/private-clients. You can expect a dedicated team member to promptly connect with you, ensuring a seamless and personalized experience that's tailored to meet your unique requirements. How do I link miners to the network? The X10 has Wi-Fi and Ethernet compatibility, but the X30 and X100 have Ethernet connectivity only. To link miners to the network, just install compatible mining software and configure it with your network and wallet details. Connect the hardware and join the mining pool for collaborative mining. Finally, activate the software and start mining. Can I mine other cryptos with BlockDAG's mining rigs? Yes, you can mine other cryptocurrencies with BDAG's mining rigs. Their adaptability to different hashing algorithms allows miners to explore diverse blockchain networks and optimize their earnings. Are there any limitations on the number of miners that can participate in the BlockDAG network? The number of miners participating in BDAG's network is not limited, allowing for a decentralized and inclusive mining ecosystem. This lack of limitation allows some miners to contribute their computational power to the network without any constraints. What is the energy efficiency of BDAG miners compared to other mining technologies? The energy efficiency of BDAG miners is a critical consideration compared to other technologies. BDAG offers X efficiency, showcasing the ratio of computational power to power consumption necessary for accessing the sustainability of mining operations. So, what security measures are in place to protect miners and the overall network from potential threats? Well, BDAG ensures the security of the mining environment by using a hybrid consensus protocol, decentralization, and an asynchronous structure. It also employs cryptography, double spending prevention, and continuous monitoring to protect miners and, maintain a secure environment. Can you elaborate on the decentralization aspect of BDAG mining and how it differs from traditional mining setups? BDAG mining achieves decentralization by distributing mining power across different networks of nodes. Unlike traditional mining setups which rely on a single consensus mechanism, BlockDAG's decentralized structure uses a hybrid consensus protocol, reducing the risk of a single point failure. Are there any unique features or innovations in BDAG mining differentiating it from other blockchain mining processes? BlockDAG mining really stands out from others by using an eco-conscious approach that prioritizes energy efficiency. BDAG minimizes strain on mining devices, ensuring its accessibility across various devices. Its ability to achieve a high hash rate and use of a hybrid consensus protocol maximize computational power while minimizing energy consumption. So, how do you assign IP addresses? First, you'll want to access your router's interface from a computer that's on the same network. This lets you identify the IPs that have been allocated to each of your ASIC miners. For easier and more streamlined monitoring, it's a good idea to assign static local IPs through your router's settings. Alright, so how do you access the configuration? Just enter the identified IP addresses of your ASIC miners into your web browser's address bar. Doing this should bring up a login page which is usually accessible using the default credentials you'll find in the manufacturer's manual. Now, how do you set up the configuration for a mining pool? Simply navigate to the ASIC Miners control panel and open up the mining pool configuration page. Then, just follow the guidelines from your chosen mining pool to enter the correct protocol, address, and username or address details to link your miners to the pool. So, how do you set up monitoring? Well, it's a good idea to configure an external computer to act as a monitoring tool for your miners. There are numerous solutions out there, so joining a mining community to help you select a widely used monitoring tool for efficient oversight is definitely beneficial. Are the miners always the same price, or do they increase with pre-sale? The price of the miners will actually remain the same, but the coin price will increase with each batch. Now, do miners have an expiry date? Miners don't have an expiration date, they're really solid and built to last. The miner will just keep working indefinitely as long as it's kept in a good mining environment. All their miners are super easy to maintain and made for home mining. The X10 is a great starter miner for your home. For the best results, we recommend the X30 and X100. Are we able to mine BDAG with other miners? BDAG coins will be mineable on the KEKAK 256 algorithm. Any miners using this algorithm can mine BDAG coins as long as they can be synced up to the mining pool. However, we can't really guarantee that other third-party miners will work as efficiently and effectively as our ones. So, using the BlockDAG mining rigs available on our website, which come with customer support for a seamless mining experience, is definitely recommended. So, how can I mine for free? Well, for the best free mining experience, we can offer you the BlockDAG X1 miner. This convenient and efficient miner allows you to mine up to 20 BDAG daily, directly from your phone. With a 50 megabyte app size, it ensures a smooth and hassle-free download and lets users easily engage in mining activities. The live version of the BlockDAG X1 miner application has received approval for both iOS and Android platforms. Users can now access the iOS version globally, and download the Android version directly through the provided links. To make sure users receive timely updates, the team has committed to sending email notifications regarding significant changes and upcoming features directly to their registered email addresses. For download links, you can check out the app for iOS at https://apps.apple.com/use/app/blockdag-x1/ID 65036098082, and for Android at http://apk.blockdagnetwork.io/blockdagv1. 5.APK. So, what are the prices for each miner? We offer 3 different miners. The BlockDAG X, 10 mines up to 200 BDAG per day, and you can buy this unit from the BlockDAG network main site for $130. The BlockDAG X, 30 mines up to 600 BDAG per day, and the cost of this unit from BlockDAG network is $600. The BlockDAG X 100 mines up to 2,000 BDAG per day, and this unit costs $1,500 from BlockDAG network. For beginners, we recommend the BlockDAG X 10 miner. However, the BlockDAG X 100 offers you the best mining experience. If you want more information about each miner, you can find it on our website at https://blockdag.network/crypto-mining-rigs. So, what does a BlockDAG miner actually do? A BlockDAG miner plays a crucial role in the ecosystem by securing the network and validating transactions within the BlockDAG. Miners are rewarded with BDAG coins daily, with potential yields ranging from 200 coins for the BlockDAG X10 to 2,000 for the BlockDAG X100 every day. So, what are electricity costs for these miners? Well, regarding electricity costs, we've meticulously considered our home miners' efficiency and noise insulation to ensure they are both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. The X10 uses 40 watts while the X100 consumes 1,800 watts. Is the BlockDAG mining app out yet? The live version of the BlockDAG X1 miner application has received approval for both iOS and Android platforms. Users can now access the iOS version globally and download the Android version directly from the Google Store. For download links for iOS, https://apps.apple.com/us/app/blockdag-x1/ID 65036098082, and for Android http://apk.blockdagnetwork.io/blockdagv1 5.apk. To ensure that users receive timely updates, the team has committed to sending email notifications regarding significant changes and upcoming features directly to their registered email addresses. This user-friendly app is free and requires minimal effort, enabling you to mine effortlessly on the go. Moreover, users can start mining now, and their BDAG coins will be transferred to their wallets when the mainnet goes live. Will we limit the number of miners on the network? We want to emphasize that the number of miners participating in our network is not limited. Our decision to maintain a lower BlockDAG difficulty and hash rate isn't due to restricting miner involvement. Instead, it's a strategic choice to ensure optimal network stability and efficiency. Mining difficulty dynamically adjusts based on various parameters, including network hash rate and computational power. While a larger miner population can influence difficulty over time, it's not the sole determinant. Other factors such as advancements in mining technology, fluctuations in energy costs, and protocol adjustments also significantly impact mining difficulty levels. We welcome miners of all scales, whether you're interested in mining on the go, at home, or on an industrial scale. Feel free to explore our comprehensive range of dedicated BlockDAG coin miners here. https://blockdag. Are there any miners that can verify the unit's work? Well, currently we don't have any validators. Our miners are all proof-of-work miners. Will the miner be mainly for BDAG, or might another token also be an option? BlockDAG is a standalone blockchain platform that aims to enhance the mining experience with its own dedicated miners, utilizing a proof-of-work mechanism. Can users mine BDAG on the X100 while the device is in sleep mode or idle? While in sleep mode or idle, the BDAG crypto miner may still be able to perform mining operations at a fraction of its normal operational speed. However, its effectiveness in generating BDAG will be significantly reduced compared to actively running at full power. To achieve maximum mining power, it's essential to operate the miner at the ideal temperature and power settings, which can be found in the product section for each miner at BlockDAG. Can the X100 miner be integrated into existing mining farms, and what advantages does it offer? Yes, the BDAG miner can be integrated into existing mining farms, offering several advantages in such setups. These advantages include increased scalability and higher throughput. Can the X100 miner be used for both residential and commercial mining setups? Yes, the X100 miner can be used for both residential and commercial mining setups. For industrial setups, don't hesitate to get in touch with our team for further assistance. Can users customize their mining preferences on the X30, such as adjusting hash rates or joining specific mining pools? When the miners are released, users can join specific mining pools. You can also configure the miner for enhanced performance. What type of analytics and reporting features are accessible for users to monitor their mining performance? Well, users on the BlockDAG network will have access to analytics and reporting features to monitor their mining performance. These include tracking hash rates, viewing mining payouts, accessing network statistics, and viewing performance graphs. How frequently does BlockDAG release firmware updates for their mining hardware? The frequency of firmware updates for BDAG mining will vary, but they will typically be released every few months or so to address various performance, security, and feature-related concerns. Will the mining rate for BlockDAG be halved? Yes, the BDAG coin is scheduled to undergo a halving process every 12 to 18 months. This strategy is designed to manage its supply effectively, promote scarcity, and uphold its long-term value within the BlockDAG ecosystem. Will mobile mining speed remain the same? Well, actually, you can boost your mining rate by referring more users to the app. Plus, you can also increase your mining speed by logging in every 24 hours and tapping on the lightning button in the app. Are the mining devices connected to the app? The X1 mining app is exclusively designed for smartphones, offering an accessible and convenient mining experience right at your fingertips. And for our other miners, you can track and monitor your mining progress through the Mining Pools application. Where do you manufacture coin mining machines? By forging strategic partnerships with leading crypto miner manufacturers, we're leveraging their wealth of experience and expertise in crafting premium-grade mining equipment. This collaboration not only grants us access to a vast network of suppliers and resources, but also allows us to optimize our manufacturing processes, ensuring the seamless delivery of top-notch crypto miners that meet and exceed the expectations of our valued customers. More information will be provided closer to launch. So, what is the pool address for BlockDAG? Well, to find the pool address for BDAG mining, you'll need to go to the applicable BDAG mining pools, which, by the way, we'll share with you closer to the launch time. Just visit the mining pool websites and then, locate the pool address section. After that, you'll configure your mining software to connect to the chosen pool. It's a good idea to consider the pool's reputation, fees, and compatibility. And if you want more info on how to configure your miner, check out our FAQ section at https://BlockDAG. Will the maximum daily rewards for mining also be tripled? Actually, the mining process remains unchanged, and miners will continue to generate the same number of coins. So, your potential earnings for mining per day will indeed remain up to $100 per miner. The mining reward structure will stay consistent with our established tokenomics, and really, it will not undergo any alterations. BlockDAG's 30 power consumption of 220 watts, is that hourly or daily? Please note that all power consumption displayed is on a daily basis. So, how much hashrati would an average PC get when compared to these miners? Well, honestly, an average PC would get a lot less hashrati compared to these dedicated miners. These machines are built with ASIC chips, which allow for much more efficient mining. Can two different algorithms run on the same ASIC? Yes, it's possible for a single ASIC miner to support multiple algorithms, allowing miners to mine different supported cryptocurrencies. Is there any country-wise restriction on the delivery address? We can deliver the miners anywhere as long as their jurisdiction allows mining. Google and Apple have banned mining from phones, so how can you mine through the X1 app? Well, one legal workaround would be utilizing a virtual private network or VPN to bypass their restrictions. VPNs can help mask your IP address and location, potentially allowing access to mining BDAG on your mobile. It's essential to stay informed about the legality of such actions within your jurisdiction to ensure compliance with regulations. Can BlockDAG import its miners? Import tax duties for the BDAG miner may apply depending on your location and the import regulations of your country. It's really essential to research your country's import tax policies. For more information, please check BlockDAG shipping policy at blockdag.network/shipping.